Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can make your Instagram account private. So first of all let me go here and type instagram.com, and now if you want to make your Instagram account from public to private, then simply you need to click on profile tab. So let me scroll down, and here you can see this one. Let me zoom out, click on profile. After that click on edit profile. Then on the left side scroll down, click on account privacy. Then here you can see private account. So now you can simply enable this option, switch to private account. Now here you can see creator account cannot be private. So make sure that your account should be personal account, not a professional account. So first of all you need to switch back from professional account to personal account. So now let's go back and change from professional account to personal account. Simply go on creator tools and controls. Then here you can see two options, switch to personal account. Click here. Then again. So now we have personal account. Now again, let me go here and click on account privacy. Then make Instagram account as private account. So now account is private.